Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are doing a house renovation. As you can see, the house is already painted white. So we were doing a painting. We're painting the house from cream yellow to white. We were just doing it alone. We never requested someone, a professional, to come and do it for us. We are kind of vacating, and now we didn't want the color. So watch the video so that you don't miss out how we did the transformation. Yeah, part of it is here. So thank you so much for being a favorite fan. Let's enjoy the video. So I went to grab something at least that we can eat. We're hungry. Yeah. Ni kidogo, but we'll manage. Sini sawa. Should I cry? Mafundi, mmesema mnataka nini? Kuku. You've done a good job. You've really done a good job. Guys, rate our work. Ufundi yako serious. So guys, this is one of the fundis. Anajichocha, anasema leo anataka tu kuku. Sijui kuku inatoka wapi. I'll give you guys a full house tour if kama mnataka kuona, that is. But meanwhile,
tena nyoka mamet. Tena ketna kuku.
This is Mr. Ziola. That's Mr. Ziola. Nilimwambia asivae hizo nguo akajiona sukari. So saizi ana struggle kutoa rangi kwa nguo. Mtu anakuja site kama amevaa jeans ya kazi jamani. Anyhow, guys, they've done a good job. I'm really grateful. I'll give you guys a official house tour before we move out. But meanwhile, nawapenda sana. So guys, today we are in day 2 of the renovation and we are doing the cleaning. Yeah, we're already done with the kupaka rangi, so we're just doing cleaning. Yep. So yeah, stay tuned mama, stay tuned mama. Okay. Guys, today we are in day 3 of cleaning and renovation. So yeah, we just want to get back to work. There's some few things that we never finished yesterday. It was too much work and there were just 2 of us, me and my nanny. So we're going to finish the cleaning today, and then there's some little repair that they're supposed to make, so we're waiting for them to do that today so that we can relocate here maybe tomorrow. Yeah, so stay tuned. We'll show you guys the after maybe. So yesterday we were able to clean the sitting room and the bedroom and part of the kitchen. Yeah, so we'll show you guys what we are doing today, but no so much filming. It's actually 6:30 a.m. in the morning, so we just woke up early to be here because I'm going to work and we have to finish this. Like, I don't have any off anytime soon, but we have to move out. So because it's not far from the place that we're living before, we opted to come right now. So guys, we are done for today. Yeah, very tired. I'm like having 30 minutes, like 40 minutes. Yeah, so 10 minutes I want to like use it kutembea kwenda home, and then the remaining 30 minutes niende ni shower, and then I go to work. I feel so tired. It's been so hectic. Actually, this is the first time I'm moving out to a house that someone had already stayed. So we were doing the scrubbing and everything, and then those the paints stuck on the wall, so it was so hard to remove them. But all in all, we managed to like to do at least a perfect job with the help of my nanny. So yeah, we'll give you guys a full house tour or an empty house tour, I don't know. But yeah, for now, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Yes.